Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got a wonderful 1972 Mustang convertible. This car has 56,000 miles. It lived the easy life in Palm Springs, California. And recently, the owner spent $50,000 restoring and upgrading this car. It was done by a shop that was featured on Motortrend channel out in California. A couple of the upgrades: it has a 302 crate motor from Blueprint Engines, has Sniper Holley fuel injection system, Willwood disc brakes, a new Tremec 5-speed trans, vintage air conditioning. So it might look mild, but this thing's a little wild too. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, look at pictures top to bottom. That's where you find the price tag on every one of our cars, along with a monthly finance option as well. That's at volocars.com. If you're interested in our videos, make sure you subscribe and then click on the bell icon. That way you're notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, that top's down. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, let's pretend we're in Palm Springs right now cruising with this car. So anyway, yeah, rust-free, clean, original car to start with. The floors are spotless. There's no rust under this car. The braces, the floor pans, smooth, clean metal. I don't think they've ever even been spray painted on. So that's all real nice and good. Front end has had work has been completely inspected. They replaced what was needed. It looks like the lower control arms are new, and the ball joints and some of the bushings, some of the steering components have been replaced. The sway bar end links. They did add a sway bar in back. All new fuel system, and it's all set up for the fuel injection. So there was some money spent on the new fuel tank and fuel pumps and all that good stuff. Like I said, Willwood disc brakes in front. The rear brakes were just inspected in our shop and adjusted. You look up at the motor, it's still like brand new because it practically is. I think this one had a chrome oil pan. I'm not sure. No, I think it's blue on this one. Looked at so many cars today. Starter's new, fuel pump's new. Everything related to the transmission is new, not used, but that's a Tremec 5-speed that's in there. So the clutch is new, and the bell housing was replaced, and all the linkages, and all of that, of course, was new when they installed that. The drive shaft has been redone. Nice new dual exhaust system. It sounds real good. Duals all the way out the back, accelerator mufflers under there. So nice, clean, well-sorted underside on this car. Now the body, he says, was a rust-free body. They didn't have to replace any panels or fix any rust. It's original body, and it was repainted. And all this restoration was done within the last couple of years. So let's look at the body. It's all straight, smooth, straight, real nice, no issues, lines up just right, no bubbles. He did add the racing mirrors. It's all nice, straight, clean, fits beautifully. All the lines are just the way they should be. The bumpers fit the body. All this is excellent. So just like he told me when I bought it from him, the body's excellent, I'm going to have to say he was not lying. The body's really nice. All the lines, the fit, it's square, it's flush. Really nice body. They painted it. It's a beautiful, shiny, glossy paint job. I didn't notice any issues. It does have slight texture. I grew up wet sanding and buffing cars, and I know what a car that's polished like a mirror looks like. This is probably equivalent to your brand new car. If you went and bought a brand new Mustang, this is what the finish would look like. It has a little bit of texture. But it's beautiful, shiny paint. White convertible top's in real good shape. You can look at pictures of it on our website. The power top pump that runs it is new. It has a glass rear window. Door handles look original, have a little pitting on the chrome. Windshield's original, has some little specks, no cracks or stone chips, but little specks on the glass. Up front is probably all the original chrome. Actually, it did say it's all the original chrome. So it has some wear, a little patina, but it's nice and straight and shiny. The wheels they did replace. These are Magnum 500 wheels. Great looking wheel. BF Goodrich tires. Original antenna. The base is a little aged here, kind of pitted. Weather strips and window seals have been replaced. And coming around the back, the tail lights, you got the blacked out panel, the bumper, all that looks very nice too. Why don't we open it up, see what it's like inside the car. All right. Nice clean trunk. Bottom of the trunk lid's painted smooth and glossy. So is the jamb. Got new weather strip. Well liner's been replaced. Comes with a nice soft car cover. And all clean metal. You can pull all this out and it's all nice and clean metal. Has a complete spare and the jack assembly. The jack is down here in this bag. And it even comes with a little battery charger, which we'll leave in there for you. I think the weather strips are original, but they're good. The door jambs were repainted. I think he said the interior was redone. The door panels have been replaced. They're the nice molded door panels. Window cranks look new. I'm looking at the dash. The dash was all apart because he made sure everything was working. He installed a tachometer, a factory tachometer. This whole instrument panel is in mint shape. Gauges are nice and clean. 56,000 miles. This is all real nice. It does have a retro stereo, fits right in the factory location. It works. Vintage air controls, so they're electric instead of cables. He installed the console. He installed the wiring harness for the clock. The clock is working. You got the 5-speed shifter right here. This whole plastic panel, the vents, the trim, glove box is all real nice. This is the Holley Sniper digital panel. Gives you all the engine vitals, the RPMs, all that good stuff. It's got nice carpet and kick panels, embroidered floor mats. Beautiful deluxe steering wheel. The seats were redone. They're nice and firm. The upholstery is excellent, not wrinkled or baggy. This is all in really nice shape. It does have speakers back here. It does have the seat belts. This one got a little yellow overspray on it from when they painted the car. Actually, they are retractable. You can hide them out of the way. The visors, the dash pad, everything inside is real nice. And here's a close-up of these, the book with all the information and receipts. Pure Vision is the shop that built it out in California. Out in Semi Valley, California, I believe it is. So it is a crate motor from Blueprint. They do a nice job. 300 horsepower, 330 pounds of torque. On top is an aluminum intake with the Sniper EFI fuel injection system. It's got an electronic ignition system. We got chrome valve covers. We got shorty street headers. And look at how dry and clean this metal is. It's no pitting at all. The battery is bolted down. The alternator's replaced. The radiator and shroud look like they're new. The clutch fan is new. The vintage air conditioning system was installed. Power steering system was installed. Has a Willwood power brake system. Has the horns, has the washer bottle. It's all here. Very, very well sorted car. So there you have it. Good, clean, low-mile, rust-free car with all these nice upgrades. There's one thing left to do. That's to drive this car. I can get in it and drive it anywhere. That little 302 packs enough punch. That 5-speed, put in that 5th gear, you can cruise down the highway all day long. Gets too warm, you put the air conditioning on. So really, really nice, respectable, honest, good car. I'd let my daughter take this anywhere to just feel that good about it. So go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions. They'll help get this delivered into your garage. They'll help you finance it at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.